Hello chaps, I'm back. Oh, I've been off for a couple of weeks to put me back out. Just found basically one at side of house, side of road, quite busy, but it's like a freaking jungle to get in, as you can tell. Fuck off, I'm on camera. It's somewhere over here somewhere. I found out. Oh my god. I might even just put me back out again soon after this. Fucking Jesus. Oh, the rubble. Let's have a look. Bastard. Ah. Right. Oh, my legs. I think I might have just chosen the wrong fucking way to do this. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, I'll try a different way. This is fucking dodgy. Looking outside, I might have found a better way through this jungle. Have a look at it. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Try not to break my neck. Oh yeah. Still got me a bit of a fucking flu. But hopefully I'll find it before I kill myself. And here, what's this down there? What's that? There you fuck that right off. Big dirty drain. But, oh my god. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. Ugh. There's the property. What I'm after. You can see that. But I've got to get to it. The fuck is that there? Sometimes doing these places have the hardest parts of actually getting onto the land of it. But I'm looking here, and even just looking right here, you got a fence going all the way along, like a big mesh fence, all the way along, like I think it's like Arris fencing. What's left of it? Slightly overgrown, all this. I don't know how old this house is, but I'll be back and I'll let you know, chaps. I've made it. I can't really tell you how old this building is, but I can tell you it's fucked. I don't know about the upstairs. As you can tell, it's quite a big building. This is really old. I'm surprised it's even got an upstairs. Where's my torch? Fucking pissing about. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, what was that? It's fucked. Absolutely fucked. This is some decay. Oh, there's a cellar as well. Wow. It's bad. This is fucking really bad. Look at that, look, it's just falling apart. Put one in there. Whoa. That is fucking shagged. I've been in some bad buildings, but that is full on what's that, woodworm? Dry rot? Jesus Christ. Wow. There's no getting up there. You probably will be getting up there, but I won't be going up there. Because I value my life. What was that? I'll have a look down there in a minute. Fucking hell. The state of it. Wow. That tree going there. Wow. Wow. Right, let's have a look over here. Look, that's the door frame, look at that. That's the door frame. Fucking Jesus. Fuck. I'm playing with death here. We have a room down there. We have something out there. I have no idea what though. We have no door here. Oh, it's that same door. I come through. Let's have a look around here. I don't know if there's any cellars around here on this part. That fucked. Oh my fucking god. I don't know why I do some of these things, you know. Just don't know why. Right, today it's like muggy as fuck. What, 27-ish degrees. No wind. Sweating my tits off. Get off my face. I've got like a out shed here. Got some more buildings over here as well. That looks fucking mental, that does. I just wonder how long it's been like this. There's no indication on anything, like clippings or dates in the building. Look at that. That's obviously a new ball. What's this over here? Let's have a look up through this door. Oh, fucking door frame and that. The door frame. Midget's house. Wow. Fuck. Anybody who wants to come here in the future, don't. It's slightly condemned. I think that used to be part of a shed area. That's just collapsed. Purely. Fucking hell. Oh, what's that? Right, let's have a look around this part. Fucking hell, can I have a wet bench? You can still smell oil in this bit. With the almost new asbestos roof. And the two-tone bricks, the old Cheshires. And they're classed as Cheshires, but that was ordered these fuckers. Can't recognise anything. It's a rusty old tin. Got a monster can here. I doubt it's been here that long. 2019. But this house is a lot older than that. A lot older. Fucking. What other buildings around here? Oh yeah, we have. Whoa, it's a car. It's near there. No way, look at that bad boy. A caravan. It might be farmer owns this, you know. Where's the farmer? Yeah, got it. It's got to indicate a date. A rough date anyway. Let's have a look from here. Fucking hell. Not the kind of holiday you want to rent, is it? Braveheart down there. Have a look at her in a minute. This bag here. Yeah. 10 pegs or something, that's fucking heavy in there, whatever it is. Is it? Yeah, I think that's 10 pegs. Fucking nails. Oh. Oh, I think I found a letter. What we got here? Let's have a look. I don't even know where the fuck we are. No, it's not there. No, it's just a magazine. This is the only bit of dating propaganda we got here. And that one says Wednesday, August 10th, August 4th, 2010. The sun. Okay. Definitely found here. What the fuck is that there? There's a lighter, another one. Let's put one like that. Find some shit here really. In these places. I think I might have got somewhere. There's an ID card here. This is. I'm not going to show the name. I don't know even know what company it is. I don't even know what it is. Scottish qualification. I don't know who cares. Fucking hell, I don't even want to go in there. Oh, fuck it. Not for me, is it? It's gonna fall over when I move in here. Oh my god. Talk about muggy. Red on here. Absolutely warm as fuck. This is a Bible. Yeah, the Holy Bible. Okay. What is it? What's on these jars? Any dates? I don't know. I don't know any dates in the Benson pickle. What's the date on that? See cap. Where's the fucking date? 2012. March 2012, so roughly it's 2012. That's just for the caravan, that's not including the house. What the fuck is in here? I don't really want to touch anything. At all. It's like a fucking crime scene. Look at it. Oh no, I guess that's shitter. What's this then? Yeah, 2011. What's in here? Fucking Mickey Blue Eyes. Oh, fuck for that. I'm expecting a body or something popping out. Yeah, fuck. I thought this would have been a shitter. Where's the shitter? Dodgy as fuck. Is that warm in here? fucking open, you bastard. You might have just tipped the caravan open doing that. Ow. These oh shit, the caravan moves then. All lopsided. They're like scissors. Weird little scissors. Bit dolmio. Jam. Tin's the best option. Oh my god. It's rattly. What's on there? 2010. Yeah, I'm guessing it's for 12 years old, this caravan. Getting out of here, it's going to tip over, for fuck's sake. Oh, I'm fucking sweating my tits off. There's some kind of farm equipment. Oh man, it's sticky. I think there's something else that way. From what I've seen from the road. So, yeah. You know when you get to a point where you say you don't want to jinx yourself, and a lot of people find bodies everywhere. Oh my god, look at fucking these nails! I don't know what I'd do if I found a body. There's another building over that way. Oh, come get stung. Right, time to put jumper on. Put jumper on in the fucking summer. What's going on? Bear with me. This dickhead's back with a jumper in 27 degrees. Literally sweating my fucking tits off to get through them fucking bastards there. Something there then. Off me. There's another building over there. Look inside that bastard. I think somebody else has been through here recently. I can see squashed down nettles. But it's like a trail going round. Fuck that, I'm alright, fucking buddy. Oh my Jesus Christ. I should be immune to these nettles by now. There's another building there, you can see that doorway. Brief one pile. Fucking hell. These buildings don't look any good like the house, don't they? Fuck me. Oh, I'm through. I'm through. I'm through. Ouch, you twat. That's what these look like. Fucking hell. Just as bad as Alexander's. Such. I'm so glad there's a metal beam here. If not, the roof would have had it. It's just like basically a dairy building, feeding trough, fucked roof, like a little drinking troughs. I'm guessing. Fucking dodgy foot in here. That's one of these ones. I need to take this jumper off and fucking die in here. So, yeah. Wow. That's alright, isn't it? A decent part of the building I've been. Oh. Well, that's a picture, that, isn't it? I don't know what's down there, if it's part of the roof or what. Wow. Why don't I ever look up before when I come into a building? Ask me that. Of course I'm fucking stupid. Them beams on that. And they're fucked. Let's see what we've got up there. Let's stick up. So glad sometimes to be tall. So glad. Oh. You got any? I've no idea what it's supposed to be. It's probably like I think it was a dairy originally with all the milk bottles. Definitely a dairy. I've heard something here. Just hear banging. Okay, let's go. Building. I don't know what that is. It looks like a truck. Oh, I don't think it's a fucking dead end. Oh, you bastard. Oh, this is fucking mad. Got all like boxes up there. Like they were. You see, these were like boxes. Like fucking chairs to me, like what? An old sofa. Lovely tuning. But when I have a rest, have a bit of a drink on the part where no one will get their skull crushed if it collapsed. Fucking, I'm probably better outside to be honest. Oh, let's have a look over there. Where did the noise come from? Over there somewhere. It must be that industrial estate over there. Okay. Oh, I'm sweating my tits off. Literally. Fucking bad. Wow, look at that. That's fucking fucked. What is that over there? I'm not sure if it's like a scrapyard or what. Then in there. I don't think there's any point going in that one. Yeah, it's just fucked. Right. Let's have a look down here. Oh no, that's main road. I think that's it. Go back to the main building. Right through the jungle of nettles. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you what to go. I need a fucking drink. And I need to take this fucking jumper off. Set up. Have a break. Have a bag. Kit Kat. Just trying to get my phone up right. Just dodge your fucking car. You dick. Right, jumper's coming back off. Not going through no more jungle. I'm sweating fucking nuts off, man. Right, that was an interesting one. Go around and get a couple more photos. I'm gonna have a break. I'm fucking dying. It's so muggy. So muggy. Pepper. Got the pepper. Oh. Fucking hell. I don't know how long this building's been here, I don't know any history on it. I don't even think it's got an address, as in like a house number, due to it's no farm. Farms don't have numbers. I don't know what the name of the dairy was. Nothing. Absolute jack shit. Right. So, on that note, I did enjoy it a little bit. It was not bad. Could be better. Could be a lot better. I'm just sweating my fucking tits off for no reason. Give us a like and a subscribe. And oh yeah, don't forget the notification bell and a good share. Every sub helps. Oh yeah, talk about that. 85% of my viewers have not subscribed. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe, it's free. Just click on that button for me. Help me out a lot. The more I can get, the more videos I can put up. It's not a problem. I think that's it, to be honest. I'm still recovering from the flu. Back's just about healed. Oh, fucking hell. It's not nice when you still have to go to work walking like a retarded chimpanzee. Like that. Literally. Like that, we are sticking it. Yeah. See you later, chaps. Bye bye.